Top 4 qualities you need to have to be a perfect hospitality candidate. First, it's a flexibility. Remember that in hospitality there is always long working hours, work on the weekends, work during the holidays, and always different shifts. Quality number 2 is cheerful personality. It is so important for hospitality to be always happy and cheerful. Skills can be taught, personality not. From our opinion, only people who are hardworking can succeed in hospitality industry. So number 3 quality is a hardworking attitude. Number 4, be a team player. Hospitality is a big family. So be a team player to succeed in hospitality, because you need to make connections, you need to make friends, you need to be happy at your work. So only if you're a team player, you can do all of that. Of course, it's not all the qualities that you need to have, but these are the main ones. If you have all of these qualities, you are our perfect hospitality candidate. Please apply with 360 Agency by email or WhatsApp.